Texas in every way. Somebody asked me the other day, they said, when you gonna cook some more of them grilled neck bones? Popped up. We keep them hot every day. Look at that. Grilled neck bones. Right off the bone. I told him, I said, if you can't come to the store, we get them to your front door. And we also got them spare ribs for you. Look at that. Even the nuggets. And that's Texas in every way. I'm gonna put you in the smoke. Grilled neck bones. Every one of them. Plenty of meat. Plenty of meat. And that's Texas in every way. And I'm out.